Hi! Today we're making apple pancakes. They're yeast-free and delicious. They're quick and easy. I'll need 1 room temperature egg. I took it out of the fridge last night. I have 2 yolks. How interesting! Take half a teaspoon of salt. Now add 1 tablespoon of sugar. If you like it sweeter, add another tablespoon. And for a savory twist, 1 teaspoon of vanilla sugar. Pour in 500 milliliters of warm kefir, heated to 40 degrees Celsius. Sift 450 grams of wheat flour and stir into the batter. Mix the flour and kefir thoroughly. The dough should be thick. This will determine how fluffy it turns out. Set the dough aside and work on the apples. Subscribe to the channel and like it. I used dancing apples. First, peel them and slice them into slices about 3 to 4 millimeters thick. For the filling, I cut them into triangles. Returning to the dough, add half a teaspoon of baking soda and 1 teaspoon of baking powder. Mix gently to prevent the dough from becoming too stiff and losing its softness. At this point, stop kneading the dough and do not touch it again. We will use a pastry bag, but you can spoon the dough into the pan with a regular spoon. Place it in the bag and begin frying. The dough is thick, just right. Pour 120 grams of odorless vegetable oil into a frying pan. Cut off the tip of the bag, leaving a 1 cm diameter opening for the batter. Quickly place the apple triangles in the center and pour the batter over them. I turned the oven on power 10, now I cook on power 4. Sometimes I use power 5. Flip them when the bottoms are golden brown. They turned out golden and beautiful, and the kitchen was filled with the aroma of vanilla. They didn't burn and have a beautiful crust. Remove from the heat. My appetite has awakened, I want to try them. They turned out soft and tender, golden brown, filled with warmth. Their aromas evoke cozy family breakfasts and, of course, the comfort of home.
Perfectly baked on the inside, they have a lightly sweet aroma and a pleasantly crispy crust on the outside. The apple slice inside adds a touch of tartness.
Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the video, subscribe to the channel and like it. See you soon. Bye!